Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tools series. So today we are in episode 6. In this video we are going to study about LLM Notebook LM. As we can see that in the left side I had click on the add sources and I am uploading the file, and I after uploading the file like a Notebook LLM works with our own documents and with the PDFs and reports, and also we can use the research papers. As we can see that initially we had uploaded document and it generated the summary for it. Notebook has already processed it. In the first prompt, I am just asking the Notebook LLM to summarize the document in a simple language with including main topic, key points, and the important conclusion. And look at this, instead of reading page after page, I immediately can get a clear summary. It explains the document in a simple language, and it also highlights the key points. And if you are someone who works with a long document, this alone can save you a lot of time. And coming to the next prompt, I am asking the Notebook LLM to explain like if I am a beginner. Now let's say I don't understand one of the concept inside this document. Normally I would open another tab, search Google, watch YouTube videos and spend even more time. Instead we can ask the Notebook LLM directly to give me the most important concept in this document. It doesn't just copy the information, it explains the concept in a simple words and even gives a real life example that makes understanding much more easier. Now let's come to the another prompt for a revisioning notes. Now imagine you are preparing for an exam, or maybe you have an important meeting tomorrow. You don't want to read everything again. You just need a revision notes. So let's ask that Notebook LM here. Here I have given a simple prompt. Look at this. Everything is organized, and we can see the result. Everything is organized neatly instead of making notes manually. Notebook LM here creates them in seconds. That's actually pretty useful. And in the next prompt, I am going to ask about the how test my knowledge in this particular about this PDF or anything. Reading is one thing, but remembering is another. So let's see if Notebook LM can quiz us. I had given the simple prompt here. Now this feels like learning with some tutor. Instead of passively reading, I am actively testing what I had learned so far. And in the next prompt, I am asking the Notebook LLM for a podcast summary. Now this is probably one of the coolest feature, and we can see that based on earlier I showed with the three most important ideas. Now I am just typing here, turn this into the podcast summary. Now this is probably one of the coolest feature. Notebook LM can generate an audio overview of our PDF. Instead of reading the document, it creates a conversation that explains the content. Imagine you are driving, walking, going to the gym or traveling. You can simply listen instead of reading. We can see that it has already generated. And also we can see that in the right side we have studio section. There we had many options are there: audio overview, video overview, slide deck, and mind map, reports, flashcards, and quiz, infographic, and data table. Now I clicked on the audio overview. Now it is generating me audio. It will take a few minutes. So after it will generate the audio, like how do we earlier asked about the podcast, right? It will generate a audio summary overview. Not only that, it can also be Notebook LMLM can be helpful in creating the more practical. Now I click on the next. I clicked on the mind map. Now it is generating a mind map for it. Next, I clicked on the flashcards. Now it is generating the flashcards and also data table. I click. Now it will generate the mind map flashcard, and as we can see that it is created the mind map, and it is also right now generating the data table and flashcards. Notebook LLM has many features. By using this, we can understand the research summary paper or anything related to documents or PDF, and it can be helpful very in assignments that related to our college or anywhere. And it also can be helpful in brainstorming the new ideas. Instead of generic suggestions, the Notebook LLM builds ideas using the information already inside the document. As we can see that in the right side, it has already generated the flashcards, mind map, and a data table. As we can see that I am just going through the three of them. As we can see that it is generated 80 number 80 flashcards. We can go through them if related to our PDF. As also we can see that data table, it has generated a beautiful data table. It consists of different columns, and it has some more data. And we can see that we have one mind map. It has generated a beautiful mind map with as we can see that in the right side section, it generated the better mind map for us. At last, I can say that I would recommend the LLM for your research or any for assignments or anything. Especially if you regularly work with on PDF notes, reports, or research papers. If you could upload just one document into the Notebook LLM, what would it be? Can you tell me? A college notebook, a research paper, or a office report, or anything. And we also explored some more here. Here we can see that reports and infographic. That's all about the video. If you like this video or enjoyed this video, you can like, share, and subscribe it with someone who works with the documents every day, or those who are in the content writing or anything, content writing or content creators. As we can see that in the right side, it has also generated the SQL cell quiz with a different as we can assess. If you enjoy this video, you can like this video and share to someone. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep building. Thank you.